Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we delve into the most intriguing mysteries. Today, we are delving deeper into the mystery of Area 51. This secretive military base located in the Nevada desert of the United States has been shrouded in secrecy for decades, spawning numerous speculations and conspiracy theories. Join us as we explore the history, alleged activities, and the most popular theories surrounding Area 51. History and secrecy. The history of Area 51 dates back to the 1950s when it was established as a testing site for top-secret military projects. The area was carefully shielded from the public, and the activities that took place there were highly classified. The government kept information about the base under wraps for a long time, contributing to the buildup of mystery surrounding Area 51. UFO sightings and extraterrestrial connections. One of the most popular theories about Area 51 is that it is involved in the research of extraterrestrial technology and the concealment of evidence of alien life. Many believe that crashed UFOs and extraterrestrial beings are being held and studied in Area 51. Numerous witnesses claim to have seen UFOs in the vicinity of Area 51 and have shared stories of unexplained phenomena, secret experiments, and advanced technology. Another common theory is that Area 51 is used for secret military experiments and the development of advanced technologies. It is speculated that groundbreaking research on aircraft, weapon systems, and stealth technology takes place within this facility. Some of the most iconic aircraft, such as the U-2 and the SR-71 Blackbird, were developed and tested here. Security and confidentiality. What makes Area 51 even more mysterious is the extraordinary level of security and confidentiality surrounding the facility. The area is heavily guarded with security personnel, warning signs, and surveillance systems. Access is strictly prohibited, and trespassers face legal consequences. This heightened security has captured people's imagination and has contributed to the myriad of speculations and theories surrounding Area 51. Speculations and conspiracy theories. There are numerous speculations and conspiracy theories that have emerged around Area 51. Some claim that the base is involved in mind control experiments, the development of time travel devices, and even the breeding of hybrid human-alien beings. While there is little concrete evidence to support these claims, they continue to circulate and fuel the mystery and fascination surrounding Area 51, revelations and secrets. In recent years, some details about Area 51 have come to light through the declassification of documents. These documents reveal some of the secret projects and activities that have taken place there. However, many questions remain unanswered, and there are still secrets that are being guarded. Unraveling the full truth about Area 51 remains a challenge. Pop culture and Area 51. The mystique surrounding Area 51 has permeated popular culture. It has become a source of inspiration for countless films, TV shows, books, and video games. Stories of secret experiments, alien technology, and conspiracies have led to the creation of thrilling and intriguing narratives. Public interest and storming of Area 51. In 2019, an internet phenomenon known as Storm Area 51 gained attention worldwide. A Facebook event jokingly invited people to storm the base to uncover its secrets. Although it was meant as a joke, millions of people showed interest, highlighting the public's curiosity about Area 51 and their desire to know what lies within its confines. Official statements and denials. The United States government has officially acknowledged the existence of Area 51, but has remained tight-lipped about its specific activities. Official statements have generally referred to the base as a testing and research facility for classified military projects. They deny any involvement with extraterrestrial life or activities that go beyond national security interests. Area 51 continues to be an enigma, sparking curiosity and fueling countless theories and speculations. While some information has been revealed over the years, the full extent of what goes on within the secretive facility remains unknown. The allure and mystery surrounding Area 51 will undoubtedly persist, leaving room for our imagination to wander and explore. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive into the mysteries of Area 51. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Feel free to share your thoughts and theories about Area 51 in the comments section below. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.